Hello friends, so in this video we are going to solve this question like duplicate training lesson. Okay, so we will solve this question using Pyspark. Okay, so the requirement is that display a list of user who took the same training lesson more than once on the same day. Okay, so output should come like username and training id and date. Okay, and number of time who like uh, n- like how many number of time he took the training from the same day and the same lesson. Okay, so let me show you the input data how it is looking. So this is the input data. So we have the user name, okay, training id and date. Okay, so you can see this is a username and this is the training id and the same date. Okay, so here you can see this is the duplicate record. So we need to identify this particular record, like how many in this record is there in duplicate. So our output should look like this much. Okay, like training username 1. Okay, he took the training from first date, and this is user 2, same training he took from the same day. Okay, 2 times. So we can solve using Pyspark. Okay, so you can see this is the Pyspark. We are going to solve this question using Databricks. Okay, so we have imported two things here. First is session, Spark session, and another one is function. When we are using the Spark, so we need to import this particular library. Okay, so this is the first we are creating the Spark session. So this is the command for creating the Spark session dot builder dot app name. This is the name we have given. We can give any name. I have given this name. Okay, get or create. Okay, this is the common syntax for creating the code. Okay, so this is the data. You can see how it is looking like username, same data what I shown in Excel na. So same data this is also. Okay, so here we can use any of the other data set, like for example if our data is stored in the SQL table, so we can directly use the SQL or file. Okay, there is a multiple way we can show them, but I will show you the demo purpose how it is looking. And this is our metadata. Okay, so this column we have user name, training id and date. Okay, so here just we are creating the Spark session. So we have here two things, data and column. Okay, you can see this is the data, and just we are combining and just creating the data frame here. Okay, and just in this steps what we are doing, just we are grouping. Okay, like user id, training id and date. Okay, these three column just we are grouping. Okay, like this metadata. Okay, and next step what we are doing, just we are aggregating the count. Okay, like you can see we have use here count star. Okay, and we created this column. Okay, we have created just like a new column. Okay, like we have given the name training taken. Okay, and just we apply these particular things, and just we are checking greater than 1. Okay, so what generally it is doing, just grouping this column, and just we created as a count. Okay, and this count we have given the name time taken, and we have applied the filter condition, and this column we are checking the greater than 1. So we are getting this result. Okay, like username. Okay, this first, second. So same way we can achieve this also. This is a simple problem. I would suggest you can try yourself. Okay, so if you are beginner, you are watching this video, so you can refer this website for basic Python. Okay, for w3.com, and you can learn here also for this official Databricks site, Pyspark with Databricks. Okay, so you can learn this thing. Thank you guys.